How to use Instagram for business. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide through steps on how you can use Instagram for business or how you can use your Instagram as a business account. Well, the process is simple. In order to use Instagram as business or for business, you can first create an account, then you can switch to your personal account to your business account. Now, how you can do so? Well, I'm not going to show you how you can sign up. It's pretty simple and easy. However, I've made a video on it as well. You can check out my channel for it. But once you have signed up, simply open up and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and you'll be on this page. Under settings and activity, you want to scroll down here until you find the option here that says account types and tools. You can see for professionals, you can tap on it and you can tap on switch to professional account, and now you can go ahead and switch to professional account. Tap on next, go through the prompts, select the categories, whether you are clothing brand, digital creator, education, entrepreneur, editor, and product services, beauty, cosmetic. You'll find everything here, so you can select the particular one and tap on switch to professional account and use it for business. This is how you can use Instagram account for business. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.